Hello and welcome back to our How to SpatialWork video guide series, created by Hiverlab. SpatialWork is our AI-powered low-code digital twin software. Digital twins made easy for everybody and for a more sustainable future. In today's video, you will learn how to access SpatialWork's web browser mode. If you have not registered an account with Hiverlab, nor have downloaded SpatialWork on your PC or the mobile app and unsure how to do that, we suggest you to watch those other videos first. To begin accessing SpatialWork's web browser mode, firstly, log into the Hiverlab client portal with your credentials. It can be accessed via the hiverlab.com website. Once there, click on the Login button. You will then be redirected to the Hiverlab client portal external website. Ensure to bookmark it for future use. Be mindful that if you forget to log out of the Hiverlab client portal and you had already logged into it, you'll be redirected to the main internal client portal main menu. In the event you wish to apply a force logout, you can click on Logout button. This way the system will not remember you are logged in. Assuming you are logging in for the first time, this is what the main client portal main menu looks like at the time of this recording. Do not worry, I will do a separate video to show you exactly how to navigate in the client portal, and you will be amazed how easy it is. The client portal is the place where you can download other Hiverlab products. There are a number of differences between the tools and features available in SpatialWork browser mode compared to mobile and PC mode. We will go through these in future videos as well. The client portal is where all your media is accessed from within SpatialWork PC mode. This is where these are stored and managed. This includes 2D, 3D files and more. Next, to log into SpatialWork browser mode, locate where you see the SpatialWork logo and click on Create. You will be redirected to the SpatialWork login web browser interface. Use the same Hiverlab registration credentials to access SpatialWork web browser mode. Once you are signed in, you will see the main SpatialWork web browser menu. As of this recording, the browser mode's main features allow you to create a SpatialWork digital twin project and manage team members and collaborators. To edit your SpatialWork digital twin projects, you would need to use the PC version, while the mobile version will enable you to show the augmented reality data of your digital twin. Remember to join our LinkedIn group and YouTube channel so you are notified as soon as new features and updates are announced. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.